Afternoon, guys. Just wait for 2 minutes more, then we will start. Okay. Till then, we can do one thing we can introduce to ourselves. My name is Manish, and I'm having 20-year experience in collaboration, network, Windows as well. Now I'm a freelancer providing the trainings. I have worked as a L1, L2, L3 engineer with different organizations. So, what kind of issues occurs in the collaboration? I aware. I'm aware about them, right? And main thing is I'm not a bookish trainer. I'm industry expert, so I can give you the solutions according to industry requirement. And our training will be you can say 80% hands-on, 20% theory. Once I'll give you the concept, we will perform the hands-on and good to go, right? Anyone having question? The next question from my side, why collaboration? If you are working in a technology, whether you are a fresher or whether you are having experience 3 to 5 years, so you will get salary like seven. But in the same platform, if you are having the experience 3 to 5 years in a collaboration, you can easily get 15 to 25 lakh per annum. So this is the value of collaboration, right? So what we will learn in collaboration. So first of all, just want to know what do you understand by collaboration? 14, 15 to 16 participants are there. Just asking, what do you understand by collaboration?
It's all about video and voice engineering. So
Okay,
configuration the video points and implementation the voice.
so I'm mentioning audio plus video, both. Audio, you can say voice. That is the collaboration. So if we talk about the collaboration product, what are the product in collaboration? So let me explain. One is your CUCM. It has two flavor. One is your CME, one is your CUCM. CME for the small organization and CUCM for the large organization. What is the function of CUCM? Just you can keep in mind there are two functions. One is device management. Device management mean to say if any phone, any gateway, any trunk, whatever we can manage from the CUCM. The second function is call routing. How call should route to other number or other destination. That can also be defined into the CUCM. But CUCM contains lots of feature like call path, SNR, MVA, extension mobility. If you already working with a collaboration with a CUCM, then these topics you can understand. But if you are not working, then it is tough or it may be tough to understand. Just let me explain in a single line. Call park, what happens if someone is getting call, right? And there is a noise or something. He wants to access that call from another location. Then a number will be populated and he can access that call from that number. SNR, single number each. If you are dialing to extension, then at the same time your mobile phone should ring. MVA, mobile voice access. If you want to make call from your mobile, but call should if you want to make mobile from your mobile international call, but you are not having facility at your phone, but you can log in at your official phone. From there, you can make the international call, and charges will be applied to companies. Extension mobility. Extension mobility means to say, like I'm having a 24 by 7 shift, and in every shift, 100 employees are there, 88 hours. So they require a dedicated phone number. So for this one, I need 300 phones, correct? But with this feature, extension mobility, I can manage only with 100 phones. These are the CUCM basic feature. If we talk about the users in CUCM, so there are two kinds of user, end user and application user. End user will be responsible to manage their own device. But application user, if you want to integrate the application with a third party, then we will use the application user, right? Any doubt till here? Anyone? Any doubt till here?
Sir, can you please explain the extension mobility again?
Okay, extension mobility. Just I'm taking a one real life example. You are having your Gmail ID. You are at home and you have personalized that Gmail ID like theme, icons, colors, and everything. Correct? But if you went to your friend's home and there is a internet, if you put your credential, same thing you will get there or not?
With the same ID, right?
Yes, with your same ID.
After same thing, I will get it.
Okay, same thing happens in the extension mobility. So what happens like I will give you one user ID and PIN. So just think there are 100 phones in the network on the floor where you are going. So if you go to any one phone, anyone, and you log in with your credential, user ID and PIN. Just suppose your extension is 1155. You will get that extension over there. That is called extension mobility.
Yeah.
Clear?
Okay, okay.
Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So My next product is CUC, Cisco Unity Connection. Here we will use this one for the voicemail solution. Do you understand voicemail? Anyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So like if you have seen the movies, if user is not available, then phone says like this is not available. Please leave your message after the beep. Correct. So once beep is started, he leave the message. Once user comes to the phone and he can access the message. This is your voicemail. And another thing like auto attended. Just suppose you are having a small company. In a small company, you have one number, right? And you are having multiple departments like sales, marketing, finance, HR, IT, and you are having the extensions of them. So in auto attendant, what can you can do? You can record your own message, right? Like currently we are busy. Please press 1 for the support, press 2 for HR, press 3 for finance, press 4 for marketing, press 5 for support. So once the caller provides the input, whether it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So according to that, we can configure if user is pressing 5 IT support, then call should land to the IT support number. So this is called, you can say, a small call center environment deployment, auto attendant. Correct?
Sir, all this IVR we need to configure into this phone, right?
No, not in the phone. You can record a wave file.
I mean,
We are having the recording system, right?
right.
So we can record that file into the wave format, and Unity connection require a specific format, like what should be the क्या मतलब like bits, and four parameters are there. I'm just skipping those four parameters. So we have to convert that file into that one, and we can do that as a free of cost from the Google, and we can upload that file to the CUC, and whenever the number will be called, that file will be played, and audio according to IVR, user will take the action. If you have seen, like if you dial any toll-free number, then first IVR you listen, press 1 for Hindi, press 2 for English. Once you press, then press 1 for account, press 2 for and blah blah blah. So that exactly happen into the UCCX. I'll come to the UCCX later on, but this is the basic. Any question, any doubt till here?
No, no doubt.
Okay. Our third product will be IMP, instant messaging and presence. This is used only for Jabber. And what is Jabber? Jabber, just like you can understand WhatsApp. If you want to see the status, next person is online or not, right? If you are using Teams, whatever communication channel you are using, communication software, like user is away, on meeting, or what, on call, then IMP we will use for the jabber. Correct? So this is not necessary in the network, but if you want to see the status of a network, then IMP is required. But we can configure the jabber on CUCM behalf as well. Next is your UCCX. We will do the study in a deep for CUCM, CUC, and IMP. But UCCX, that is for the contact center. So here scripts will be defined. So in this one, we will learn how to install or deploy, then how to integrate with CUCM, and what would be the call flow. These are the major products on which we will work. Till here, anyone having any doubt or question?
Sir, IMNP service, this will be enabled from the Zaber.
Sorry, missed your question.
I was just asking, sir, as you're saying that IMNP products. So IMNP
Hmm.
is just for instant messaging and presence status showing, right? So
Huh.
this
On
this needs to be enabled into the Zaber, or
no no
we
no
need to connect with the IMNP server.
IMP and CUCM will be talking to each other, and IMP will show the status of Jabber user, like user is away, user is
Ah, right.
online, or user what user is doing. So next person can get the status of Jabber. But if IMP is not there, Jabber will work, but user will not able to check the status.
That's fine, sir. I don't understand. That's why I'm asking, sir, IMP service where we need to enable.
Where we need to enable, we have to do the integration with CUCM.
We have to do the integration with system with this IMP server, correct?
Yes,
That's why.
o- only then that will work, right? Any other question?
Okay.
Okay, I'm just coming to CUCM again. We will learn gateways. How many gateways are there in voice world? Three. One is your MGCP, H323, and SIP. We will do the debug. We will trace the call, like what is happening at the gateway level. So if I talk about the SIP, the use of SIP, first, phone registration. If you want to add or register a phone that is non-Cisco, it may be Avaya, it may be Nortel, it may be Alcatel. So that phone can be registered with the CUCM via SIP, not others. Second thing, we will use SIP into the integration. If we want to integration, if we want to do the integration of two product, then we will use SIP. Then third is SIP also work as a gateway. Like if you want to make inbound call, outbound call, or with a provider. So there is a one provider, you can say ITSP, Internet Telephony Service Provider. So if you want to make outside call, then you have two ways. Or outbound calls. One is your T1E1, that is your PRI. Second one is your SIP. SIP works on only your VoIP. And the troubleshooting of SIP is very easy. That's why. Because if we talk about the H323, it's a message in the form of hexadecimal. But for the SIP, it's a ASCII. We can easily understand. Now, multiple companies, if a company is looking for the SIP tester, he will look only like candidates should have only on SIP knowledge. So SIP is not bounded with the CUCM or Cisco only. All world is working on a SIP. Now, major thing, if I say why you are supposed to do in this field, because the main thing is lack of engineers of VoIP. Companies are looking for, but they are not getting the skilled person. Because why they are not getting skilled person? Someone, for example, if I say two friends are there and they are looking for the Cisco study, so CCNA is a must. So they started with the CCNA, then they did the CCNP, and after that they got a job. But after that they are doing only job, not improving their skills, right? Just suppose if they got the package at 7 lakh or 8 lakh in a network, but same time a third person was also doing the CCN and CCNP. After getting a job, he didn't stop. He added the skills of collaboration. If he switches now, then he can easily get to 15 to 16,000 lakh per annum. This is the very important technology, highest paid in the network as of now in industry. So if you want any topic who is having a small background or whatever from the voice, just let me the topic, I'll explain you. Anyone?
Could you please tell about the database replication?
Database application. Okay. So basically what happens when you deploy the CUCM? So first CUCM will be called as a publisher, right? And rest of others will be called as a subscriber. So the data replication means you can say if you are having the Windows knowledge, so you can say AD and ADC, domain controller, sorry, DC and ADC, sorry, DC and ADC, domain controller and additional domain controller, both are having the same database. So in this case, what will happen if I'm having pub, I'm having sub. So pub will replicate all the data to sub. Direction will be only this one. Pub is the main server in the network and only one pub is possible in the cluster. So database replication means how they are communicating. Database. There are four situations like state is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if state is 2, it means all good. If your state is 2, means everything is good, database is synchronized. If 0, starting, or you can say initiating, like database has been initiating, starting. 1, initiate has been done, under process. If you are getting 3, it means replication has been done, but not in a correct way. Then it means mismatch table. So why the table? If you remember, if you have done the OS part, Windows OS part, then in the hard disk you must have seen like there are tracks and sectors, right? So database gets written in the form of that one. So table is mismatch is status of 4, sorry 3, correct. Regarding 4, it's just like right off now, it's escaping of my mind. So this is your DB replication. So if there is a issue with the DB replication, we are having multiple options, like we can reset, we can rebuild, we can do multiple things. But until and unless, like if DB replication is not good, then you can restart the service Cisco DB. Again, it's not happening, then you can collect the traces from the RTMT of Cisco DB. From there, you can get the detail issues, detail description, like why it is not happening. Clear?
Okay.
Sir, there was one question. That question is, we were saying that if issue is not resolved, you can restart the service like Cisco DB,
Hmm.
right? If again still issue is not resolved, so what needs to do? You were saying you just missed out.
The final option. First of all, we have to perform the troubleshooting,
Correct.
whatever we are know, right? Like service restart, uh, DB replication, reset, rebuild, everything we have done. But still, it's not coming. Then final solution is reboot.
Okay, so it will reboot from the RTMT direct we can reboot.
No, you have to log into the CLI, then supply the command util system
Ah,
reboot,
that's
restart.
into the web portal. We cannot log in from the
Uh,
web portal,
from
from this UCM web portal.
Yes, from the web portal, you have to log into the OS administration page. From there, you can shut down or restart.
Okay, thank you.
So main thing is of this training or this session, main thing is like I have already worked in industry. I'm working since last 18 years, but last 2 years I'm freelancer. So just working on that. What I have seen in this one, like from college placement, candidate gets the placement and get this job like MACD, L1 or whatever. But he does not try to upskill. He put himself in a comfort zone. After 4 to 5 years, once he is not able to get the increment or promotion, then he tries like what should I do? So always if you want your salary hike, promotions, don't be you can say satisfied with your job. Don't put yourself in a comfort zone. Only then you can grow. otherwise not. This is my experience. Any other question? And main thing in this session, in this voice world, collaboration world, hands-on will be the 80% plus. Have you anyone in the session, have you worked with the debugs and traces? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
No one. Okay, fine. Just in this training, like all are working, right? Just asking you guys.
Yeah,
Yes,
like
all
actually I have worked. Mm.
You all are working.
yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine. Okay, fine. I can give you one guarantee. If you pick this program, if you do the serious study with hands-on, just convert your previous, like I'm saying one person is working as a desktop engineer. He knows only how to install the Windows, how to troubleshoot the hardware and Windows, right? But if he learn this technology, he can remove his experience of a desktop engineer and mention like I'm working in a voice since last 2 years. If he is getting 3 lakh or 4 lakh per annum with voice experience, he can easily get 8 to 10 lakh. But it depends on the company and policies. That I'm saying.
How much fees for this training?
For that one, Rajesh sir, Rajesh sir, Deepak, just a minute. Seems sir is busy. Sorry, may I have your question again, please?
What is the how much payment for this training?
Training payment is 30,000. Duration is 4 month. Weekend classes 2 hours or 3 hours. Depends our like how much you are getting.
Any lab?
How much? Yes, lab you will get. 24/7 you will get the lab. And like if you take this decision, I am a trainer, I am an industry person as well. So just I
Where you are
quit my,
working?
sorry,
Where you are working?
I am not working as of now. I am freelancer.
Oh, okay.
Last company was DXC, sorry, ZDT, and there I quit with package of 36.
Okay.
So just imagine how much package you can get. This is the package. What I am saying that is not possible into the other technologies like if you go with the network CCNP or CCIE. If you are having the knowledge of UCCX and the product which I have explained, if you are able to, just a minute, I got a call.
Hello. Voice is not coming. Hello.
He's on mute.
Okay, okay. So when this class will start?
Start from 12.
From 12th
This
June.
class, this
Now
class will be started from Feb 14. I
14.
think 14
Uh, Only on weekend, right? 14, 15.
weekend. Yes, but
What is the time?
if you want to go with the weekdays, we can discuss on that.
What
Let
is
me,
the wait? What is the time for the weekend?
Hello,
as of now,
Manish, I'm audible?
yes, you are, sir.
Yeah, so classes on Saturday and Sunday in morning 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the duration will be for month. And the fee is 30,000. Actual fee is 35,000, but for 15 candidates we are offering in 30,000. And mostly things will cover on practical basis. Our approach is 80% practical and 20% only theory because this is the practical learning you will get. Then you will get
So what?
placement as well. We are connected with many companies actually, connected with HRs, managers, directors. So we'll arrange your interview after the training as well. Yeah, Manish, you can continue.
So major thing is
So
like I will provide the training on behalf of industry basis. So what would be the training method? Please, you can note down. First, I will explain the concept. Like if I'm going to do a hands-on, just suppose topic is extension mobility, right? So first, I will explain the requirement. I will give you the problem. I will give you my requirement. Then I will give you the solution. Yes, Cisco gave us the solution, right? That after that we will deploy that one and I will show you. Then I will show you if any error occurs, then what can be done. So it training will be totally industry dependent. If anyone asks you, have you ever worked? Yes, you can say, yes, I have worked. Okay, so what is the meaning of error? This one. So that kind of practice I'll give you and you can give
Do you
immediately answer. Yeah,
do you
please.
give do you give your trainings on Cube and SBC?
Sorry, not understood.
I mean,
Cube and SBC is asking for. Are you providing the training for
Yes, yes,
Cube?
Cube and
Cube,
SBCs
Cube,
will be
it's
there.
a Cisco Inferred Border.
Let me show you the syllabus. Just a minute. Sir, we have not shared the syllabus with this group.
No, no, we
No, I
shared
got
one
this.
many group, so you can open and show.
So
Okay.
Manish sir, I got this link on another that UC collaboration group. So I joined. This is my first time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I do not have any uh, your syllabus and nothing is available with me.
I
Yeah,
have already.
Manish is going to open. I have shared link in many groups. So Manish is going to open and show what is the module detail. Okay.
So just I want to say only one thing. Like I have provided many provided training to the many persons candidates. I do not remember, but uh, the top candidates package I remember like 4 to 5 students are working 25 plus.
So
So from
currently
here,
my question, my
sorry.
question is, sir, Currently, the
Hmm.
on premises we are getting this type of height also, because nowadays many platform are moving to the cloud, Genesis
See,
Cloud, like this.
See, Genesis is a different technology. AWS is a different technology. If I talk about the Cisco, then there are two
Mhm.
keywords. One is on premises, means CUCM is deployed to our network in our company, right?
Right.
Their second word is UCAS. UCAS means to say CUCM is deployed somewhere, but we are having the access. But thing is, same, we are not supposed to visit or not to take care of that CUCM. Like what happened? That is the cloud responsibility. Understood?
Okay, but for this technology, how we can means for the current situation, what is the growth of this technology means in this technology?
Once you understand the technology, once you would be able to work in this technology,
Mhm.
you
Mhm.
will get the growth. You are having the LinkedIn profile, right?
Yes.
So there must be you must be seeing so many openings for the VoIP, but there is a no response,
Oh,
right? Am I right, sir? Brijesh, sir?
Yes, this
Industry is
market is having good opportunity. As of now, there is no engineer belongs to this skill set. Capgemini having 50 plus opening across the India. TCS having 100 plus opening because they are opening the new offices on different locations. Okay. And as I compare to another domain, in this domain, you will get more job opportunity in terms of your CDC as well. Okay.
so my question is, uh, for this technology means, can
Right
I
now,
speak in
what is
Hindi?
your domain? Right now, what is your domain? In which domain you are working? Can you tell me?
I'm working. I am working in this domain only. Okay, from last 3 years.
Yes.
What I am configuring the IP phones, wireless phones on call manager.
Mhm.
But some of my friend is saying that you can go in a that is cloud or in testing, because here you will not get the good amount of package. So
As
I am
of
not.
now,
Uh,
SBC and Cube, everything going on cloud. Cloud is not a big deal. Okay.
but this
Whatever
technology remains the
company,
same. Only the
yes,
platform will go
remain.
on cloud.
Suppose, for example, a networking engineer, those are playing with router and switches. Okay. Also, they
Okay.
are playing with cloud as well because networking is a main thing. No, either you can use Dabba or cloud. So similar, these things also happen. You can manage your infra or cloud companies are maintaining their infra. You are just using the bandwidth and all. You are deploying SVCs, your cube into the cloud, and you can monitoring. You are providing the access and all everything.
I think what he
Okay.
is asking is what is the future for Cisco
Oh,
versus
yes.
Teams and Genesis and other technologies coming in.
Because WebEx Cloud is also there.
WebEx.
So, what is the future of this technology, on-prem technology in future?
In future as well, the on-premises also working because the previous infra they are not going, not even companies destroying. They are not going to shift completely on cloud. The previous thing we have to measure with on-premises, whatever new thing we are going to on cloud. So both the thing going on parallelly.
Okay.
Yes. If you are working, you are not getting any opportunity. You can share your resume. Will say align your interview. What is your current package?
Currently, I have to 8 lakh per annum.
Like how many years of experience?
4 years, 3 to
4
4
years. You
years.
can share your CV. Capgemini is offering 18 or 20. Yesterday, one candidate got selected for Noida location.
Oh,
Yes, they are getting
so
19 lakh. Previously, the package will be only 10 lakh.
okay. So first I need to go through the all these topics. Then I can eligible for the interview, right?
Yes.
Or directly.
Yeah,
First I will
Manish, you can
understand the
continue.
concept and huh?
You can continue, Manish.
Without knowledge, how can you crack the interview? Because Capgemini,
Right, right.
as sir told, like Capgemini is offering, but you are not having the collaboration knowledge. Then how can you? If you talk like I'm
I,
already working
I
on a
have
phone
L1
chain,
L1 type of knowledge only means adding phones and all. Okay.
if then
So if I go through
one,
this technology training, then I will definitely switch to the another company with good hike.
yeah, that's why I'm asking. By seeing your experience and CTC, your interview will be as a L3, right? And your
Mhm.
if you get selected, then you will be placed as a L2 engineer.
Okay.
So, like are you aware about the like which services responsible for which feature, and if you want to do the bat, how can it be? If you want to do the troubleshooting with gateways, then how it can be? If how you pull the traces. So these are not fall under the L1 profile. This is the
Right,
L2
right.
profile, right?
L2 and
So
L3 provide.
company is offering the package. It means company is also looking for the knowledge as well.
Right.
This is the main thing.
Okay, Rohit,
Hello,
please just.
Rohit,
am I
you are
audible?
saying something? Yeah,
Yeah. So my question is, are you also going to cover the CUCM traces, like collimator traces?
definitely. Because
Uh,
I told you, this is not a bookish trainer. I'm not a
mhm.
bookish
Hmm.
trainer. Like if I'm placing a call, like if I talk about the SIP and there is a error code, I will configure that like call should not go. Then I will pull the traces and will show you like with this help of traces the result you can say the number does not exist or number is forwarded. Everything I will cover. I will walk you through into the training by grabbing your hand. But if I am providing the training for 1 hour or 2 hour, then you are supposed to do self study for 2 hours.
Okay.
Lab I will provide. If company ask like in your case company will ask by seeing your experience and knowledge like one phone is trying to call second phone and second phone wants to take the third phone in conference, what would be the call flow? Then how can you explain? So everything I will deal, I will teach you everything.
Yeah, yeah, hi. I have a question.
Hmm.
Like I am working in this field only, why? But I am worked with Alcatel Lucent, then Mitel and Cisco. I have did only one project. So means if I do this course and after that, if I apply for new jobs and also the experience will add for me, or it will be like a freshers they will consider because this Cisco product I have not much knowledge on that.
No, it
How
would
it will
be
be?
it would be a plus point for you because you have worked with the Alcatel and Mintel, right? So
Yeah.
you can add the Cisco technology into that experience, that company. Like I'm working with the Cisco as well.
Okay.
So you can, if you are able to crack the interview, then your
Mhm.
extra skills, Alcatel and Mintel, that would be a plus point, and you will get the priority of hiring.
Yeah, because I did
Uh,
Cisco project only once. only
No,
one
no,
project.
no worries. I'm just promising you, just attend this course, and within 7 days, you can see the
Yeah.
changes into yourself,
Okay.
right? Because I trust in my at my training, how I provide. That is my God gift. So if I'm asking you, I'm taking your guarantee, just trust on me. You have to trust on me. And maybe within 1 month, its a duration is 4 months, 2 hours daily on weekends, but within 1 month, you will see changes into yourself,
Okay.
right? Okay,
Yeah.
someone is starting K. Kupuraj having some question. Kupuraj. So you can see the syllabus, everything is mentioned there. 80%, 90% is your hands-on. And one more thing I have added, that is your UCCX deployment integration and with CUCM and coil flow, how it will work. Basic points I will teach you. The remaining thing, coil script. Script basics, I will explain you like how script will work. Then you can take, because it's a separate course, UCCX.
Okay.
Any other question? Any other question from anyone?
No question, Manish.
Okay, then, sir, are you there? Deepak?
Yes, Manish.
Sir, I'm done from my side.
Guys, any query from your side?
Sorry, your voice cracked.
Now clear?
Yes, now clear.
Guys, any query you can ask. I am here to help you. The batch will start by Saturday morning 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. The batch will start by Saturday morning 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Saturday and Sunday. It will take 4 months to complete all the thing with practical and all. Okay. The charges will be 30,000 for first 15 candidates. Those who are interested, you can connect with our team and get registration early as possible. All payment option is available. Either you can pay in installment, credit card, debit card, UPI, everything is available. Also will provide the recorded session so that you will get in future as well. If you have any query, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll wind up this call. We'll connect on Saturday. Ajab, any query? Hari Prasad, Manish, Nitesh, Nitesh already registered. Ramsheet, Rohit Singh, Shubham, Vikas. Okay, no
Yes, sir.
problem. Thanks.
I want to register for this course. So what is the process? You can let me know.
You can whatever the message you received from this number 7709935614, you can ping on the number. And Manish, you can show the number in syllabus.
Sure, sir.
Okay, I got this in the group. Ask UC.
Yes, you can take the screenshot and you can ping to admin. He will share all the detail. Accordingly, you can get registration.
Okay.
Yes. So those who are interested, you can connect with this number. You can get registration, take the benefit. Thanks for
Apart from the weekend batch, is there any daily batch available?
no, only weekend batches and on government holiday also will plan the session and our team is working. So in daily session you will get not more stuff and Saturday
Uh,
Sunday you 4
uh,
and
s-
4.5 hour.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. If you
Yes.
want to weekdays batch, that is also available.
Okay, no problem. So in morning or evening?
It's a evening, so afternoon.
Afternoon, but all are working, so not possible, na?
Uh, I'll check with
What is
the
the time for
schedule.
afternoon?
3 to 5.
3 to 5. Okay.
Either on weekend, Manish, we can plan either early morning or late night, so that those who are working
No,
on
no, no.
Monday to Friday.
Actually, he asked for the regular days. That's why I told.
Okay.
Yeah, I have no problem because my shift start in the evening. Okay, at 5:30. So for daily batch,
We
I
can we
don't have any
can we
problem.
can
But
decide
you can check
based
with
on
your other.
majority. We
Yeah,
can
yeah. You
decide
can
based
check with
on
your.
majority. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thanks
You
to
can check
all.
with the other candidates also.
Other candidate is registered for weekend as of now,
Yeah.
Okay, no
and we'll
problem.
discuss if I want to join, wants to continue in weekdays. Accordingly, we can plan. But as of now, the message to them is on weekend. And if Manish is available, night 9 to 10, Manish, you are available.
Yes, I am available.
Yeah, because if it is night, it will be for me because
9 to 10
my
will be
Friday,
shift
Saturday.
another.
So if it is like evening, it will be good for me because my holidays are on Friday, Saturday. They are
Okay.
in
So
Oman.
we can you can get connect with admin. You can get registration. Then accordingly, we'll decide the timing and all. Okay. Okay. Thanks to all. Thanks, Manish. Thanks, Deepak.
Thank you all.